Dalaga pa na siya. Oh, Luna, are you single? Yeah. I ask natin Kuya Pax ba? Luna, are you single? Because Kingfisher Vlog is single. Kuya Pax. Kuya Pax. kay dikitan dako. Dikitan mo na nga Kuya Pax. Oy, kay dalaga man niya siguro oy. Luna. Luna laughing. Luna, are you single? Because Kingfisher is single also. If you want, then you subscribe Kingfisher. Then Kingfisher, you subscribe Luna. Luna's laughing. Okay, paksay kayo eh. Luna's laughing also eh. Luna. Yeah, this one Kingfisher is a good person. Good person. Kuya Pax. He's very good, you know, Luna. Pugazi, ano daw? Pugazi telephone. Kuya Pax, naiintindihan mo ba? Pugazi telephone daw, Kuya Pax. Di ko man maintindihan yung English niya, oy. Hi, Luna Abuzel. I'm single from Philippines. Yeah. Kuya Pax is single but but sasabihin ko ba Kuya Pax single but but ay hindi ko na sabihin Kuya Pax. Yeah, Luna, Kingfisher is single, is very good. Wala ako kasabot yun sina hindi ko man gani kasabot Kuya Pax sa iya nga ginahambal nasiling na English daw pero di ko man kaintindi ka English niya iba man yung pag-write niya ng English niya. Yeah. Luna's writing English but I cannot understand your writing. Yeah, different writing. Say, hello, Luna, hello. Oh. Luna, are you interested to Kingfisher? Then you subscribe. So you subscribe Kingfisher, then Kingfisher subscribes you. Kingfisher also is sometimes she's going live stream. Then you can visit. Kuya Pax, mag-live ka nga Kuya Pax para mabisita ka ni Luna. Tapos magpakita ka Luna, you come Kingfisher live stream later. He opened the live stream for you. For you. Kuya Pax, yata yung gadugo ng ilong ko ka English. Ugma na din Okay, Luna. Tomorrow, Kingfisher is going to live stream. What time? What time, Kuya Pax? Hazas. Ayan. Sabi ni Kingfisher Hazas. Hindi ko man kasabot ang iya ginambal. Yeah, Kingfisher. Kahabol ang bukod. Hindi naman pagkita kasi kapantulog na ako. Ang haba ng may tumatawag na wala ako. May tumatawag sa Mi. Sino na tumawag sa Mi? Anytime. Luna. Kingfisher is going live stream tomorrow. Anytime. Don't have time. Anytime. Morning to evening. Kuya Pax, gyatay gadugo nagikayo ilong ko Kuya Pax ka English. Kuya WB. Okay me. Don't worry me. Nagkwentuhan man kami diri ni Kuya Pax pa. Kuya Pax, Luna, where are you, Luna? Don't forget, Luna, tomorrow you can go Kingfisher live stream, okay? You visit him. Then Kingfisher Vlog give you subscriber. Okay? Ay, Kuya Pax, kanina ka pa pala, wala ka pa palang